Before you start a chest workout, you should spend 5 to 10 minutes warming up the parts of the body going to work. For a chest workout, this will be chest, shoulders and arms. Warming up will increase blood flow to the areas you're going to be working and improve range of motion, which translates into a better workout. Start with some light dynamic stretching, opening up your chest, moving your hands apart and changing your hand position. You can then do some body weight push-ups. 3 sets of 10 push-ups is normally enough, and there are various push-ups you can do, such as a conventional push-up, wide push-ups, and diamond push-ups, which are a bit more advanced and works the triceps a bit more too. You certainly don't need to do all 3 types of push-ups, you just choose one type. We're just showing you some options. You can then do some light reps. Like some light chest presses, which you can see Benji doing. He's using an Olympic bar which is 20 kilograms. If you do 3 sets of 10 reps, that will be adequate. You can then move on to your chest workout.